The rules of the game say that when my guy travels the correct path and ends up on the yellow square, you win. To create the win, we need to do two things. We need a sprite that covers the stage with the message "you won." And then we need a few commands in my guy to say, "I've got to the yellow square, please show the you win screen." First, let's create the you win screen. I'm going to click the paintbrush to create a new sprite. And I'm going to just decide that the background of that sprite will be black. So I'm going to click the paint can and then in the center of the screen to fill. Then I'm going to zoom out as far as possible by clicking the small line here. I'm going to choose the text tool so I can write "you won." And I'm going to make him yellow. And then I'm going to type "you." Oops, let's click here. "You won." And if I mouse over till I see the hand, I can center him and click OK. Now let me move so you can see the work area. We want this sprite to appear when my guy reaches the yellow screen, but we want him to disappear when the game begins. So first let's name him. You can name him anything you want, but let's call him "you won." To make him disappear at the beginning of the game, we click the control menu when green flag is clicked, and then the looks menu, hide. So when the green flag is clicked and the game begins, the sprite will hide. When my guy reaches the yellow square, he'll send a message to say, "I'm on the yellow square," and then this guy should appear. To create that effect, we click the control menu, and then we use the piece "when I receive." So when I receive, the message from my guy appear. We need to name the message. You can name it anything you want, but let's call it "you won." When I receive "you won," I should appear. So I'm going to go to the looks menu and show myself. And also I'm going to choose go to front to make sure that this sprite ends up on top of the stage and covers the stage. And then I need to do one more thing. Once I've won, all the scripts must stop and the arrow keys should no longer function. To do that, I go to the control menu and choose stop all. Now, I've got this guy working, but I need to go back to my guy. So I'm going to click my guy. And I need to add some logic that says when I'm on the yellow square, send a message. So to do that, I click the control menu when green flag is clicked, and forever. Let's do forever if. Forever if I'm touching yellow, please send a message. So to detect touching yellow, I go to the sensing menu and I say touching color. I click in the pink square or whatever color it is for you, and then touched yellow. So forever if touching yellow. To send the message, I go to the control menu and I say broadcast. Notice that it already knows the name of my message. So now when I hit yellow, I will send the message "you won," and then the "you won" sprite will detect that message and show himself.